So to reach the higher goal, we all need to be together, and to be together, we need to know each other. So we have a game time, and the game is called Know Your Chinmaya Family.
Sujata from Chinmaya Sagar Zone. I was Krishna.
I am Indira Someshwar from Chembur Ghatkopar Zone. I am acting as Arjuna.
I am Usha Mohan from Borivali. Bhakti Zone.
I am Mangala from Mahima Zone. Geeta Chanting Group.
I am Manjula Suresh from Chinmaya Prerna Zone.
This is Geeta Chanting Group. I am Usha Nair from Prerna.
Hariom, I am Jalja from Chinmaya Prakash Zone.
I am Dinesh from Chambur, Geeta Chanting.
I am Geeta Raghavan from Jagdishwara Zone. I did the role of Drona.
I am Bhishma Acharya from the Bhagavad Gita. I am Pratima Rao.
I am Narsiman from Duryodhana from Ghatkopar Zone.
I played the role of Yudhishthira. I am Sharda Mangal from JM Zone.
Hari Om, I am Pratibha Shah from Chinmay Jayam. I am playing the role of Sahadev, Trikalagnani.
Hari Om, I am Pradyumna. I am the Commander-in-Chief of Pandava Army, and also I am Commander-in-Chief of Geeta Chanting Competition. All my Sevaks are here. Give them a big hand.
I am Mini Pillai from Chembur Zone.
I am Maya Prabhu from Chembur Zone, acting as Nakul.
Vibha Mittal from Sagar Zone.
Hello, I am Vanisri Sri Krishnan from Prerna Zone. I am acting like Sanjay.
Hari Om, Brahmachari Ved Chaitanya, acting as Drashta, Hanumanji. Drashta for the entire Geeta Chanting competition. Hari Om. Thank you all. Hari Om.
Hari Om. We are from Chinmaya Bhakti Zone, Borivali. And the name itself suggests Bhakti means, you know, no one can be compared to the Bhakti which Hanuman had towards Ram Lord. Hence, we all are called Hanuman Sena. We will work towards the success of Chinmaya movement and 100-year celebration in a very grand manner like Hanuman, and reach out to the entire, not only India, other parts of the country also. Now Mr. Dikshish will continue.
Hari Om. Hari Om. We will make this world better place by working together with Bhakti, Seva, learning, Sharanagati and surrender. This is like Hanuman, what he could do. With Hanuman Bhakti, Seva, he did the work for the Rama to do all what was required for bringing Sita and everything else and bring peace and Shanti and Harsha. That is the Ananda to all. For the example, how we go about the things is like a man was picking fish. Fishes they were thrown out or they were washed ashore on a sea beach. And a man was just picking up one and putting back into the water. Somebody came and asked, what a foolish man you are. You are doing this work you cannot save all these things. But I am able to do at least whomever I am picking up and putting into sea, giving them a better life. So we try to do the same way in our own capacity for improving the world by doing this sort of work in the centenary year. I would like all our people to introduce themselves because in the short time I can't remember everybody's name. But okay. Shri A.K.K. Nair,
Krishnamurthy Vishweshwaran Iyer.
I am S.K. Dikshit from Malad, Mahendranagar.
From Ramchandran Geeta Doot, Ramchandran from Malad.
Hari Om. Hari Om to all.
Hari Om. We are the Chinmay Setukari group. I'd like to introduce the 5 members of our team before we move on. We've got Abhishek, we've got Ritika, we've got Sunita, Jagdish, and myself, Vivek. What we'd like to do here is do a quick bit of a role play, a very, very small role play. We've got Shaheen, who's a chickster. If she's sure she's a chickster. And we've got Paran Bhai here, who's part of the mission since a long time and been a part of the study group now.
Right, study group.
So now what we'd like to do is, we'd like Shaheen, Paran Bhai, without moving from wherever you are, and without moving from wherever you are, I'd like you to hold hands with Paran Bhai. To hold hands with Paran Bhai. Stretch as much as you can. You can't move, you can't move. Okay. So let us tell you about Setukari, right? There was a time when we were chicks. There was a time when we were hip. Young and carefree to move around. Then came life and we got bound. Now neither too young nor too old. Passion still alive with desire to reach the goal. So that's why we created this rap, so that we show you how Setukaris bridge the gap. Thank you.
Very nicely done.
Thank you, thank you. We are the gap between the young and the old. That's Setukaris for you. The next group, please.
Hari Om. We are a group from Mahima Zone. And what is Mahima? Please listen. Century is very glorious. Glory means Mahima. And Gurudev has decided to score his century in Jayam and Mahima. Gurudev, teri Mahima अपरंपार, जगत भर में तेरी जय जयकार, फिर भी तूने चुना महिमा और जय को, तेरा अपरंपार प्यार. I'm Urmila Harit from Mahima Zone.
I'm Bhavna Sarawal from Mahima Zone.
I'm Chandrika from Mahima Zone.
I am Vijay Padil from the Chinmay Jayam, Santa Cruz.
I'm Meena Ruparel from Chinmaya Jayam.
I am Pratibha Shah from Chinmay Jayam.
Hari Om. We are from Navi Mumbai Zone. Prerna. Fast, fast. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Hari, Hari. Hari, Hari. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om.
हाँ, हमारा सारा ग्रुप लक्ष्मी मंदिर, हाँ,
हमारा सारा ग्रुप लक्ष्मी मंदिर से नई बॉम्बे से आया है और आप तो सभी जानते हैं कि लक्ष्मी की हमारे जीवन में कितनी महत्व है। बिना लक्ष्मी के कोई कार्य भी नहीं चल सकता है। सभी जाते हैं लक्ष्मी के इधर उधर भागते हैं, तो क्यों ना लक्ष्मी को प्रसन्न किया जाए ताकि लक्ष्मी हमारे इर्द गिर्द भी रहे और उसके साथ जो है जो खुशियाँ हमको उसके साथ मिल सकती हैं वो हम अपने जीवन को भी खुशी बना सकते हैं, परिवार को भी खुश बना सकते हैं, देश को भी खुश बना सकते हैं। तो इसके लिए मैं एक छोटा सा हम लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ, तो हम छोटा सा एक अभी 2 मिनट में कंपोज किया है। रंग बिरंगे फूल हम लक्ष्मी मंदिर में खिले, रंग बिरंगे फूल हम लक्ष्मी मंदिर में खिले हैं, आइए दर्शन करके अपना जीवन सफल बनाइए, आइए लक्ष्मी के मंदिर में आकर अपना जीवन सफल बनाइए। लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी सबको चाहिए, लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी सबको चाहिए, चाहे हो गरीब या अमीर, पर लक्ष्मी के संग के साथ साथ सबके जीवन की मुस्कान भी नजर आती है। इसीलिए आइए अपने जीवन में रंग बिरंगे फूल खिला के अपने जीवन को सफल बनाइए।
Hello, as Swamiji has asked us to form a group and introduce in nutshell, not like individual. We are not going to individually, absolutely. Swamiji, the thing is, each names we have taken one, the first word, and it has come Digvijay Chinmaya Prerna Sangh. Each name, single word, we have taken the first letter, Digvijay Chinmaya Prerna Sangh. Hari Om.
देखिए, ये लक्ष्मी तो हमने मांग ली है, पर अपना मंगल किस प्रकार करेंगे? लक्ष्मी को रख के अगर हमारी समस्याएं आती हैं तो हम रोने लग जाते हैं, परेशान होने लगते हैं। तब ये तो याद नहीं आती कि लक्ष्मी को कैसे यूटिलाइज करें, इसको जमा करें कि इसको खर्चा करें। तो इसलिए हमारे मन में क्या शांति होनी चाहिए। तो लक्ष्मी को देख के खुश तो होंगे ही, पर साथ साथ में शांति भी होनी चाहिए। सर्व मंगल मांगले शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके, शरणे त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति, सब कुछ मिल जाए उसके बाद शांति भी होनी चाहिए।
हरि ओम। One round of applause to Chinmaya Prerna Group. They are the biggest group here. And also because we need Mahalakshmi's grace especially this year.
हरिओम। चिन्मया सागर की लहरें हैं हम सब में स्वात्मानंद जी ने जगाई प्यास श्रुति और गीता की, रोम रोम में नम्रता से निकली अदिति, रीना, शिल्पा, सुजाता, आभा, ज्योत्सना, चले ज्ञान सागर की ओर, देने गुरुदेव के चरणों में भक्ति और सेवा की अंजलि। Our motto she is going to say.
Chinmaya Sagar, wherever you are and whatever you do, you are a part of us and we are a part of you.
Hari Om. Team TITI represents Transforming Indians to Transform India, a national movement wherein the vision is to instill the feeling of nation above self, nation above everything, and we believe that individual's transformation can lead to national transformation. Our aim is to conduct 1,008 workshops till December 2015, and we conduct interactive workshops in 7 levels of transformation. So these workshops are
And the idea of our movement is to have 7 levels of transformation, because we want to create an India which is actively patriotic,
physically
fit,
emotionally,
at peace,
intellectually,
clear,
culturally,
rooted, spiritually,
universally one.
Our mission is all about our countries. So if I transform, India transforms. You transform, India transforms. We transform,
India transforms.
My transformation is
Transforms nation.
Vande Mataram. Vande
Mataram.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Thank you.
And the only introduction we need to give about ourselves is that we are all CM and we are Indians. Thank you.
बस एक ही माइक है. Okay, I'll hold the mic. 1, 2, 3. Open up.
आदित्य हृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रु विनाशनं जयावहं जपं नित्यं अक्षयं परमं शिवम.
We are the चिन्मया प्रकाश फैमिली. अंधेरे से उजाले की तरफ, अंधेरे से प्रकाश की तरफ हमें ले जा रही हैं हमारी आचार्य निधि जी अपने लविंग गाइडेंस के साथ. लाइट ऑफ लव, लाइट ऑफ विजडम, लाइट ऑफ नॉलेज, लाइट ऑफ लव, sacrifice and service under the vision, with the vision of our Gurudev and Guruji, with the ceaseless, tireless sessions which Nidhi ji takes with us, let us open up like a lotus. And now we are moving towards the light of infinite love. In our hearts felt with that same infinite love, with the opening of a new center, Chinmaya Priyam. Our motto, since we are the CM, we are the Chinmaya mission, our motto is
Maximum happiness for maximum people for maximum time.
Hari Om. The Lord always gives his vision in the end, so Jagadishwara has come in the end. To bless all of you, and really very happy he's with all the zones. So here we are to present our zone here. Just a moment.
Hari Om. Our zone lies in Powai, predominantly in Powai, Andheri East and other regions. And this Powai place itself is blessed by the Lord. In fact, the road which you take to reach Adi Shankaracharya, our Jagadishwara temple is Adi Shankaracharya Marg. And Adi Shankaracharya had went through that road in 8th century AD.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate.
And now we have Swami, our Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandji establish his Sandipani Sadhanalaya over there. So we belong to that zone. In fact, that zone has IIT campus, which is the seat of knowledge or Lord Saraswati. And we have Lakshmi also adjacent to us because it's a new upcoming locality of Hiranandani. And so we have a very good zone, and we have our activities have mushroomed over there over the period of time, and really we are very happy to be a part of this group. Hari Om.
Jagadish Hare, Swami Jai Jagadish Hare, भक्त जनों के संकट सात जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
Thank you, Hariom.
ये लोग कौन है? इतना सीरियसली बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं, जब हमें भी इतना कंसंट्रेशन होता नहीं है, और ये लोग इतने कंसंट्रेशन से पढ़ रहे हैं।
पता नहीं, इनके बारे में तो कभी सुना नहीं है हमने। कौन है ये लोग?
आई थिंक ये चेक वाले हैं, आई एम नॉट श्योर।
गाइस तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो ये? What are you guys doing here? What are you studying?
हम कैंप्स करते हैं, ना 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 ना, मूवीज देखते हैं, ना 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 ना, पहाड़ चढ़ते हैं, खेलते हैं, कूदते हैं, बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। ना ना ना, कैंप से मिलती है यूनिटी, मूवी से मिलती है क्लैरिटी, सेवा करते हैं खुशी दिलाने को, प्लेस करते हैं सबको सिखाने को, हम पढ़ाई करते हैं भक्ति शक्ति बढ़ाने को, हमसे मिलना है फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप,
Hariom, so I'm Shivani Vartak, and so basically this is what we do. As Vatsal Bhaiya rightly said, that we are the microcause of this macrocause, and we represent all 8 zones, even the TITI. The main thing that we do is publicizing about all the Chinmaya Mission activities on social media, like Facebook, Twitter, what we just mentioned. And yes, we come from different backgrounds. These are the new chicks. This is Abhay Patil. He is currently studying management. Raj, who is studying in 11th standard, Shashank and Hemang. So these are the new chicks. We are from different backgrounds. Some of us are art students, some of us are studying management, finance, science, whatever. But we are working towards a common goal. And to sum it up, we'd sing some lines for you. आज सब कुछ बदलेगा, आज अंबर बदलेगा, जब दिल में जोत की हो पुकार ये देश बनेगा, आज सब जिद करना है, चलो हमें जिद करना है, जिस रास्ता ना देखना हो बस उसको डरना है, उम्मीदें हौसले इनको सब ना रह जाए, जगा है हम दिमाग में दम, कोई रोके ना पाए, हमसे है रोशनी, हम लोग हैं भला, हमसे ही देश हो, मिलकर बढ़ेंगे
Okay, so now we have the youngest group, most cutest group, and the most adorable group, That is our Bal Vihar group. Come on.
They can sing. Everybody will hear.
We have actions.
Oh, you have actions.
They have actions now. No mic for them. Silence, everyone. Listen to the young ones. ओम हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये